Hello, my friends, and welcome to day 25. Today we have a full body standing stretch. You're not going to need anything for this one, just some empty space. And when you're ready, meet me in a comfortable standing position, feet hips distance, grounding through your feet to lift through the crown of the head, standing up nice and tall. On an inhale, reach your arms up toward the sky, opening through the chest. And on your exhale, grasp opposite elbows, coming into a side bend. Inhaling to side bend over to the right, feeling a stretch along the left side of the body. And come back to center and over to the left. And just take a few of these at your own speed. On your next inhale, reach up, make your body as long as you can. And exhale, take your arms down by your side, neck stretches. Melt your right ear to your right shoulder, left fingertips extend out to the side. Breathe into the left side of your neck. One more breath like this. Inhale to stand up tall. Exhale over to the other side. Right fingertips extend out. Inhale, coming to center. Give yourself a big shoulder roll down and back. Getting your elbows involved in the movement, making them even bigger shoulder rolls. And as they grow, start to open your arms out to the side, rolling through the shoulders, opening through the chest. And let's reverse, rolling forward through the shoulders. Finding some stillness. Let's roll out through the neck. Take your right ear to your right shoulder, then drop your head forward, nice and slow, opening through the back of the neck, taking your head all the way over to the left, pausing, and then switch over and go back to the right. Take a few of these at your own speed. Find some stillness. On your next inhale, reach your fingertips up. Exhale, clasp them behind your head. Cat cow, inhaling to look up, open through the chest. Exhale, round through the back. Squeeze your elbows in towards each other. Gaze down toward the ground. Exploring how the movement feels in your body today. Release your hands back down to your sides. Give everything a little shake out. We'll stretch out the lower body now. Shift your weight into your left foot. Bend the right knee, quad stretch. Right foot comes towards your right glute. Keep your knees in nice towards each other, gentle bend in the left knee. Your left hand can come to your hip for a little bit of support. Breathing into the openness of your chest and the front of the right leg. On your next breath, release the foot, squeeze the knee into your chest. Take some ankle rolls in one direction and then go the other direction. Slowly transition into a hamstring stretch. The right heel comes to the ground, right toes flex up toward the sky. You can kind of sit back here as much as your body will allow. Opening through the back of the right leg. Hands can be to prayer in front or to your hips. Last breath in. Slowly stand up. Shake it out. We'll do that on the other side. Shifting weight into your right foot this time. Bend the left leg. Quad stretch. Slowly release the foot. Take your knee into your chest. Give it a little squeeze. Ankle rolls. Oh, I'm going to fall over. Go in one direction and then switch and go the other way. Slowly transition to your hamstring stretch. Left foot comes to the ground. Root down through the left heel. Left toes flex up toward the sky. Sit back. Breathing space into the left leg. Slowly make your way up to standing. We only have a few more. Finding a figure four stretch. Shifting weight onto your left foot. Hook your right ankle over your left ankle or your left knee and sit back. Flexing the right foot. Sitting back as deeply as you can. From here, we're going to step the right foot back to find a hip flexor stretch. Slowly press into the left leg. Take your right foot out behind you. Finding a decent width so that when you start to sink into the front knee, you can feel an opening through the right hip flexor. Hands can be to your hips, or for a little bit more, reach the hands up toward the sky and take a side bend over to the left. One more full deep breath in. Slowly press into that front foot, step your way forward. Give everything a little shake. We'll do that on the other side. Shifting your weight into your right foot, crossing the left ankle over the right knee, and sit back, figure four. Slowly stand all the way back up. Reach that left foot out behind you, step it back, hip flexor stretch, sinking as deep as you can into the right knee. Keep your hands on your hips or inhale to reach the fingertips up, and exhale to side bend over to the right. Last breath in. Exhale, press firmly into the front foot, step your way forward. Shake it out. Let's end with a forward fold. Inhale to reach the fingertips up. Exhale, clasp your hands behind your back and fold over your hips. Allowing the head to be heavy. Knuckles can come up to the sky, or if that's too much, just release and clasp the opposite elbow. Slowly place your hands on your hips, bend through the knees, roll yourself all the way up to standing. We'll end with one more full body stretch here, inhaling to reach up. Exhaling, cactus the arms out to the sides. And we are done. I hope you enjoyed this one. I know that I did, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.